Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. We're going to be taking a quick look at BNB Pick today. Get started by signing up with your Wallet or Faucet Pay email. After you log in, the dashboard is just like the other picks. It's located on the left side and has your Faucet surveys, games, and withdrawal. Your balance is located in the top center and your notification bell is right next to it. Let's begin by choosing Faucet and solving the CAPTCHA below the surveys. Next, you should verify your email to get 10 extra bonus spins. After you verify your account, you can do PTC ads by clicking Surveys and going to Monlix. Now choose Ads and then click on one of the Watch Ad advertisements below. It should bring you to another window and a green timer bar should run down. Great, now solve the CAPTCHA and your balance should be credited. After viewing the ads, you should do a few surveys to earn more money. The surveys range anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes. You can do the 1-minute surveys until you learn how to do the longer ones. I have tutorials in my other videos. After you've made enough BNB, you can go to Games on your dashboard and play in the in-game casino. I'm choosing Dice for this tutorial. I'm going to speed up the footage while I play a few games. When you're ready to withdraw, just go to your dashboard and select Withdraw. Now put in your proper address, and that's it, you're done. As you can see, my last withdrawal went through. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits.